everyone! Listen, ever wished your SketchUp models looked as polished as professional renders without paying for expensive libraries? With SketchUp 2025, that's finally possible. One of the biggest upgrades this year is the full support for PBR materials. And the best part, you don't have to spend a thing to start using them. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how you can find and use free materials on SketchUp 2025. Whether you're adding bricks, wood, metals, or tiles, I'll show you where to get your realistic PBR textures and how to manage them efficiently, all completely free. If you're ready, let's get started. First, let's talk about what exactly PBR materials are and why they matter. PBR stands for physically based rendering. Unlike flat textures, PBR materials include multiple maps for bumps, roughness, and reflections, making your surface behave more realistically in renders. SketchUp 2025 lets you enable PBR rendering directly into the software and even enhance your scenes with new environment lighting options. Quick tip: one of the best places to start is the SketchUp 3D warehouse. It's filled with free community-created and official collections of PBR materials. You can grab single materials like wood planks, bricks, or metals, or you can also download entire packs in just one click. These materials include everything you may need, from normal maps to ambient occlusions, giving your model more depth. But of course, loading too many materials directly into your file can slow things down. A smarter way to work is to save your downloads as SKM files on your hard drive. That way, SketchUp only references them instead of embedding everything into your model. This keeps your models lightweight and lets you reuse the same material libraries across multiple projects without file bloat, which is really important. Now that we know where to find them, what they are, here are a few quick tips. Use the material tray to keep your library organized. Sample materials from swatches to avoid duplicates. And lastly, purge and use materials regularly to reduce file size. So there you have it. Explore the 3D warehouse and start building your own library of free PBR materials. Experiment with texture, adjust their properties, and bring more realism into your SketchUp 2025 projects. And if you want to keep improving your workflow, check out our video on the best SketchUp plugins. It's the perfect next step after this one. You can click it right here, or you can check it out on our channel where we have a couple of more SketchUp videos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more SketchUp tutorials and design workflows right here on the channel. And let us know in the comments where you find your favorite free materials. We'd love to hear your recommendations.